Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance. First, navigate to the Binance website or download the mobile application. Begin by creating your account with a valid email or phone number. Next, complete the essential identity verification process, which typically involves submitting a government-issued ID. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, like Google Authenticator, to significantly enhance your account's security. This crucial step protects your assets from unauthorized access. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from an external wallet or another exchange by selecting the desired coin and generating a deposit address. Alternatively, purchase crypto using fiat currency through methods like bank transfers or credit/debit card payments. Binance also offers peer-to-peer trading, allowing you to buy crypto directly from other users with your local currency. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Now for the exciting part, trading. Binance offers various trading interfaces, from simple convert options to advanced spot trading. Familiarize yourself with order types like limit orders, which execute at a specific price, and market orders, which fill immediately at the best available price. Utilize the platform's charting tools and indicators to analyze market trends. Select your desired trading pair, enter your order details, and execute your trade. Always trade responsibly and manage your risk. Maintaining account security is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords and keep your two-factor authentication active. Regularly review your account activity for any suspicious behavior. When you're ready to withdraw funds, select the cryptocurrency you wish to send, enter the recipient's wallet address, and confirm the transaction. Be sure to double-check all details before confirming any withdrawal. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.